Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best Earpads is probably one of the most overlooked aspects of your listening experience, but trust me, it's a game changer. Today, we're diving deep into the world of replacement Earpads for your Beats Studio 3 headphones. We'll explore why these seemingly small accessories make a massive difference in comfort, sound quality, and the overall lifespan of your beloved headphones. Get ready to upgrade your audio game. Number 5. SoloWIT Earpads for Beats Studio 2.0 and 3. Are your Beats Studio headphones feeling a little worn? These replacement Earpads are designed to revitalize them. They'll make your headphones feel brand new again. These Earpads are specifically designed for Studio 2.0 and 3 wired and wireless models. Make sure to check your model number before purchasing to ensure a perfect fit. Experience superior comfort with the soft protein leather and memory foam. The slow rebound memory foam conforms to your ears for a personalized fit, providing excellent bass and all-day comfort. The package includes a triangle opener to make installation quick and easy. You can quickly replace your old Earpads and enjoy your headphones again. Treat your headphones to a luxury upgrade. These Earpads are a simple way to refresh your listening experience and extend the life of your headphones. They are a great investment. We are constantly working on new and improved Earpads. We aim to provide you with the best experience possible. What we like. These Earpads feature extra thick and slow rebound memory foam, ensuring a personalized fit for excellent bass and extreme comfort. The included triangle opener makes installation easy and fast. If you're looking to revitalize your headphones and enhance your listening experience, you should consider these. They're a simple yet effective upgrade. What people say. The memory foam molds perfectly, creating a custom fit that makes long listening sessions a dream. Installation was a breeze, too. Was easy to replace, came with the tools needed to do the job and instructions on how to replace them and ensure they stay put after replacement. Number 4. FEYCH Beats Studio Replacement Earpads for Beats Studio 3 and 2. These FEYCH Earpads are designed specifically for Beats Studio 2.0 and 3.0 headphones. They are rigorously tested to ensure they meet and exceed expectations, providing a perfect fit for your device. Made with high-quality protein leather and memory foam, these Earpads offer long-lasting comfort. The materials are designed for crack-free usage, allowing you to wear them for extended periods. The high-density memory foam enhances your listening experience. It conforms to your ears, providing excellent bass and improved noise isolation, so you can enjoy your music without distractions. Installing these Earpads is a breeze. Simply remove the old ones, align and stick the inner mats, and push the new Earpads in. They are designed to stay securely in place. We stand behind our product with a 365-day replacement warranty. If you have any issues, please don't hesitate to contact us. We're here to help. What we like. These replacement Earpads use high-density memory foam for enhanced noise isolation and a comfortable fit. The premium materials ensure long-term crack-free usage. If you're someone who values a quiet listening experience and long-lasting quality, you should choose these. The warranty provides added peace of mind. What people say. The Earpads fit perfectly on my Beats Studio 3 headphones. They are very easy to install. The Earpads are comfortable. Number 3. Replacement Earpads for Beats Studio. These Earpads are perfectly compatible with Studio Wired B0500, Wireless B0501, Studio 2, and Studio 3 headphones. They are designed to fit seamlessly, ensuring a perfect fit. However, please note that they do not fit Beats Solo models. Crafted from high-quality foam and protein leather, these replacement Earpads are as soft as the originals. They are designed for all-day comfort, allowing you to enjoy your music without any swelling or discomfort. This ensures long-term use. The memory foam cushion effectively blocks out external noise, preserving the original sound quality of your Beats Studio headphones. It creates a quiet listening environment, allowing you to fully immerse yourself in your music. This design provides a perfect listening experience. Installing these Earpads is incredibly easy. The strong adhesive on the back ensures that the ear cushion stays securely in place. Before attaching the new ear pads, make sure to clean any residual glue from your headphones. We rigorously test every item before shipping to ensure quality. If you are not satisfied for any reason, we will gladly replace or refund your order, no questions asked. Your satisfaction is our priority. What we like. These ear pads are made with soft protein leather and memory foam for all-day comfort and effective noise isolation. The strong adhesive ensures the pad stays securely in place. If you're looking for a balance of comfort and sound quality, you should consider these. They are easy to install and provide a great listening experience. What people say. They offer premium comfort, easy installation, and great sound isolation, making your old headphones feel brand new. The replacement ear pads are made from soft memory foam covered with high-quality protein leather, providing a plush and comfortable feel. These pads maintain the deep bass, crisp highs, and overall clarity of Beats Studio headphones. Number 2. Adhiper replacement ear pads for Beats Studio 2-3. These replacement ear pads are designed specifically for Beats Studio 2 and 3 over-ear headphones. They ensure a perfect fit, enhancing your listening experience. It is compatible with models B0500, B0501, and A1914. Made with high-density memory foam, these ear pads provide excellent noise reduction. They create a comfortable seal, allowing you to immerse yourself in your music. It protects your ears and fits your headphones perfectly. The premium protein leather feels soft against your skin, providing lasting comfort. This material also helps keep your headphones looking new. You will enjoy the comfortable experience. Installing these ear pads is simple and quick. Just remove your old pads and apply the new ones with the adhesive strip. The charging hole is designed for easy access. The package includes a pair of replacement ear pads and a crowbar. Adhiper offers a worry-free warranty and easy-to-reach customer service. If you have any questions, they will solve the problem for you. What we like. These replacement ear pads use noise reduction foam and premium protein leather for a comfortable and lasting fit. The easy installation process makes upgrading your headphones a breeze. If you're looking for a comfortable and stylish upgrade, you should consider them. They are designed to fit perfectly and enhance your listening experience. What people say. These were a perfect replacement, easy to install, and fit perfectly. However, the installation is super easy. They are great quality and price. Sound great, performance. Just remove the old pads and stick the new ones on. Make sure you got the right side first, charger port. I got the Studio 3s. Number 1. GVOEARS replacement ear pads for Beats Studio 3. These ear pads are designed specifically for Studio 2 and Studio 3 over-ear headphones, both wired and wireless versions. They are not compatible with Beats Solo on-ear models. Make sure this is the right fit for your headphones. The thick memory foam provides a comfortable fit, creating a seal around your ears. This helps to block out external noise, allowing you to fully immerse yourself in your audio experience and enjoy the excellent bass. Crafted with high-density memory foam and soft protein leather, these ear pads offer long-lasting comfort. They are built to withstand daily use, ensuring a durable and enjoyable listening experience. Replacing your old ear pads is quick and easy. You can install these new GVO ear pads in about 10 minutes. If you need help, there's an instruction video available. The package includes a pair of GVO Studio replacement ear pads, 3M adhesive tape, alcohol cotton, a crowbar, and a user manual. Please note that the headphones themselves are not included. What we like. These ear cushions feature thicker memory foam for enhanced noise isolation and comfort. The stronger 3M adhesive ensures a secure fit. If you prioritize a durable and comfortable listening experience, you should choose these. They are designed to last and provide excellent sound quality. What people say. They are holding up great to far. Super comfortable and thicker than original ones. Easy to apply as well. These replacements fit perfectly, were easy to put on, and are very inexpensive. The instructions were easy to understand, and all the necessary prep materials were included. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.